Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change Audi A3 wiper blades. First, let's ensure your safety and prepare for the task. Always park your car on a level surface and turn off the ignition completely. Gather your new wiper blades and a soft cloth to protect your windshield. Placing a towel or a piece of cardboard on the windshield beneath the wiper arm is a smart first step. This prevents any accidental damage if the arm snaps back. Now let's remove the old wiper blades. Carefully pull the entire wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small release tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight down or up, depending on the design, to detach it from the arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back onto the glass. With the old blade removed, it's time to install your new ones. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook or pin on the wiper arm. Gently slide the new blade onto the arm. You should hear a distinct click, indicating that it's securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Repeat this process for the other wiper blade. Finally, let's perform a quick check. Gently lower both wiper arms back onto the windshield. Before driving, activate your vehicle's washer fluid and test the new blades to ensure they clear the glass effectively and smoothly. For optimal performance and to extend the life of your new blades, remember to regularly clean your windshield and the wiper blades themselves. This simple maintenance ensures clear visibility in all weather conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.